Are you tired of having to choose between protecting the interior or the exterior of your vehicle? Introducing BlackVue DR750X 3-Channel Plus. Now with front, rear, and interior video protection, giving your car the total coverage that it deserves. The front and rear cameras feature full HD Sony Starvis sensors, providing ultimate video quality in any condition, while the interior-facing camera uses infrared LEDs to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. Also available with our driver monitoring camera to keep you safe while driving. And for those times when you're away, you can hardwire your BlackVue to enjoy the benefits of parking mode, while built-in voltage monitoring prevents the draining of your vehicle's battery. With BlackVue Cloud, you'll stay connected to your car at all times, receiving push notifications in the event of an impact, while event videos are instantly uploaded to the cloud for safekeeping. BlackVue DR750X 3-Channel Plus. Total dash cam protection for your vehicle. Find yours at blackvue.com.
In the cities, where you spend a great amount of your time on the road, you experience a lot of traffic on a daily basis, always with someone calling or texting while you drive. To avoid the inevitable consequences of irresponsible drivers and the unnecessary arguments at the courthouse, to document a truthful record of accidents, you need a device that can keep track of what happens on the road, that you can always rely on. We believe in a product that can secure and enhance your driving experience with an intuitive and powerful camera device. Built for high performance and reliability, introducing the 3rd generation Rexing V1 Dash Cam with an optional premium upgrade. The Core Ultra HD camera, with a wide field of view, the best of its kind, enables maximum picture resolution and clarity. With its wide dynamic range technology and advanced image sensor, the V1 automatically adapts to any light condition. We enhanced the way dash cams record. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest files, allowing you to keep recording with no interruptions. The G sensor smartly identifies collisions of the vehicle, enables auto lock of the current video, ensuring your most important footage is kept protected. We also simplified the way dash cams communicate and transfer data with the 3rd generation Rexing V1's colorful LED display, GPS capability, and Wi-Fi video transfer features. Built for high durability, the Rexing V1 allows continuing high performance in an extreme temperature environment. Discreet design of the lightweight body with its black finish and low-profile form, Rexing V1 can be easily disguised behind the window shield, documenting your road trips and securing your daily drives with its undemanding characteristics. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing Dash Cam.
you.